So today, we've got our hands on the cordless vacuum cleaner from Maircle. Previously, we had vacuum cleaners, but they were bulky, loud, and had to move around. This vacuum cleaner seemed like the perfect solution as it was cordless. Its powerful suction made it easier for us to clean dust and debris, household mess, even from the corners that were previously hard to reach. As we have the Maircle S3 at hand for a few days now, we are going to share our experience with you guys. Let's find out if it really brings convenience to cleaning tasks or not. First and foremost, starting with its design, the Maircle S3 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner comes with an eye-catching design. The motor powering the vacuum is located in a cylindrical shape at the front of the main body, and the dust container is visible due to its transparent plastic design, which is attached at the bottom. Plus, the battery can be found at the back. The handle is situated near the top of the battery compartment and is slightly inclined towards the front. However, the smooth surface of the grip can be a bit slippery to hold, which is a minor drawback. Moreover, the Maircle S3 Pro also has an intelligent LED display that shows everything we need to know, including performance mode and battery info, making planning and managing cleaning chores easier and better. The dust cup design is also clever as it collects hair at the bottom where it won't cause clogs. One button releases cup contents into the trash, so there's no need to remove and replace the cup manually. The design makes it very easy to empty the bin, and we did not have to worry about getting our hands dirty. The overall design of the vacuum is well balanced and easy to maneuver, and additionally, the vacuum is lightweight, making it comfortable to use for extended cleaning sessions without causing any kind of fatigue. Let's talk about the powerful suction and efficient filtration system. The Maircle S3 Pro cordless vacuum comes with a multi-cone, fully sealed cyclone separation system that is purpose-built to minimize airborne dust and contaminants in household environments. The advanced high-speed motor creates powerful suction, generating up to 23 kPa of intense suction power. It makes it easy to remove dust and debris, pet hair, and other household messes for complete cleanup. Also, there are 3 different cleaning modes, including minimum, standard, and maximum. With the minimum mode, it allowed us to clean hair, crumbs, and dust, while the standard and maximum modes helps us to remove prominent stains and stubborn dirt. This vacuum cleaner even uses dual filters, one pre-motor filter and one HEPA filter that work together to capture dust, dander, and microcontaminants, providing a cleaner and healthier environment for any family. This not only ensures that the air inside our home is cleaner, but also extends the life of the HEPA filter, which only needs to be changed every 6 to 12 months. This higher standard of cleaning makes the Maircle S3 Pro an ideal choice for people with allergies or asthma. Next, let's talk about the cordless design of floor brushes. The high-speed floor brush has an independent motor which allows it to efficiently pick up more dust, dirt, hair, and debris. With its V-shaped brush design and revolutionary cordless technology, cleaning is easier, faster, and of course, better. No more fussing with tangled cords, so cleaning chores take less time and effort. Another feature is the green LED light that detects microdust. The green color and precise illumination angle make hidden microdust visible, making it easier to remove dust in difficult-to-reach spaces. Apart from the main brush, there are quite a few other versatile tools for different cleaning needs. First, we got an electric brush that's a miniature version of the main brush. With this electric brush, we easily cleaned our sofas and car mats, and next, we got an extended hose with a furniture brush to clean light dust on desks, tables, and other surfaces. And finally, a 2-in-1 crevice tool for tight spaces which allowed us to clean between sofa cushions effectively. Not just that, it has a little brush that can slide both forward and backward to provide some extra protection while cleaning. And yes, we can also clean our keyboards and other electronics with this 2-in-1 tool pretty easily. The stand-up charging base is also a convenient feature with no wall mounting required whatsoever. We can simply keep it standing while plugged in. The reinforced base prevents tripping, ensuring the safety of the vacuum, and is compact enough to be stored away. The battery life of the Maircle S3 Pro is also noteworthy. With a duration of up to 70 minutes in minimum mode, we have tackled our entire home without pausing to recharge. With that being said, it also offers up to 35 minutes of battery life in standard mode and up to 15 minutes in max mode. So, cleaning is simpler and less of a hassle with a vacuum that can keep up with our pace. This is perfect for large households or for individuals who want to spend less time vacuuming and more time doing other things. In short, the Maircle S3 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner is one of the most powerful cleaning solutions you can get right now. With its impressive battery life, premium design, and suction power, it can easily clean up our whole house. Plus, it's versatile enough to clean almost any surface. So, That's all from us. Do let us know what you think about it, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.